too shallow for this boat to go over. But it's a very popular spot for our dive boats and our snorkel boats to go out to. They'll go out to the statue, divers want to go down, they want to get a picture hugging or wrestling Jesus, and they come up, they feel this tingling sensation. They think they're having a religious experience. Actually, that statue is covered with encrusting fire coal, and they're feeling the effects of that. So, if you go to the statue, don't hug Jesus, because they'll probably end up burning you. If you must, just